upbeat music plays. Welcome back to the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat or the bank. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of UPS battery replacements. That's right, we're comparing the APC RBC17 on my left and the SafeAMP APC RBC124 on my right. Buckle up because it's about to get shocking. First up, let's talk about the price. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to pay more than they have to for a battery. The APC RBC17 is priced at a shocking $56, while the SafeAMP APC RBC124 is a bit more, coming in at $75. Reviewers mention that the APC RBC17 offers great value for its performance, while others note that the SafeAMP is worth the extra money for its reliability and performance. So do you want to save a few bucks? Or are you ready to splurge like it's Black Friday every day? Next, let's talk compatibility. The APC RBC17 is like that friend who gets along with everyone. It's compatible with a whole bunch of APC models like BK650, BE700, and even some that sound like they're from a sci-fi movie. Reviewers have praised the APC RBC17 for its wide compatibility, stating it works seamlessly with various models. On the other hand, the SafeAMP APC RBC124 is a little pickier, compatible with models like BR1500G and SMC 1000-2U. Some users have mentioned that while it fits perfectly with specific models, it may not be as versatile as the APC RBC17. So if you've got one of those, congratulations! You're in the club. But if you don't, well, sorry, you're out of luck. Now, let's get to the juicy stuff. Performance. The APC RBC17 boasts a maintenance-free sealed lead-acid battery. Reviewers have noted its ease of installation and effective performance, with one mentioning it eliminated disruptive beeping noises. It's like the lazy friend who still manages to get stuff done without breaking a sweat. Plus, it's hot swappable, which means you can change it without any downtime. Meanwhile, the SafeAMP APC RBC124 packs a punch with its 9.5 Ah power. Reviewers have highlighted its excellent performance, with one stating it has been functioning without issues for weeks. If you're looking for a direct replacement for RBC124 or RBC123, this is your golden ticket. Quality is the name of the game, folks. The APC RBC17 meets or exceeds all those fancy standards like UL, VDE, and RoHS. Reviewers have expressed satisfaction with its quality and performance, stating they've had no issues so far. And the SafeAMP APC RBC124? It's tested and certified to restore your UPS to its original glory. Users have reported that it's as described and fully charged, ensuring quality performance. So whether you're Team APC or Team SafeAMP, you can rest easy knowing you're getting a quality product. In summary, both products have received positive feedback from users, though they cater to different needs. The APC RBC17 is appreciated for its affordability and broad compatibility, while the SafeAMP APC RBC124 is favored for its higher capacity and reliable performance. Users are generally satisfied with both products, each excelling in their respective categories. So, there you have it. Two solid options for UPS battery replacements. APC RBC17 for the budget-conscious who loves compatibility, and SafeAMP APC RBC124 for the power-hungry overachiever. Which one will you pick? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell for more comparisons that will help you buy smart. Until next time, keep your devices charged and your wallets happy.